the new line through. We have this electrical conduit, flexible electrical conduit running through there. Got a brand new hose here. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna put it inside of our pump. Where our chemical feeder's at. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn her on in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna read this book real quick just to ensure that I did the process properly. Inside this packet as well, it comes with a kit with all these different adapters here for your hoses and the nuts. And this is a filter or a check valve of a sort that only allows the flow to go one way. So we'll go ahead and I'm going to read their book, and it's always good to read your instructions before you turn everything on and make sure everything, pretty sure I think I got it right, but nevertheless, this side of the pump right here is our suction side, and it rotates this way, and that's our outlet going down to through that pipe to go into that other tank, holding tank over there, where it injects into the PVC of the pool return. We all got it all in. I quickly found out that it actually goes the opposite way that I thought it did. So this is our outlet right here, and the suction side right here. And watch pouring the solution in. Alright, so this job here is complete. We got our chlorine tank being pumped again. So we're good right here. All we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to adjust. The way you adjust these is there's a big cam right here, and they're all numbered 1 through I think maybe 12. And this is a 50 gallon per day. And since we had one before, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it down at 2.5. And as you rotate that dial, get all the air out of the system. This side of the road on in West Park, Pembroke Pines. It's on the east side of Pembroke Pines. We're here going to be picking up some tanks for our commercial pool. Maybe you can see that they're behind me. We have our distributor here of all these tanks. We're going to go inside and we're going to be purchasing. We're going to be picking up a 90 gallon for our chlorine, and then we're going to be picking up a 50 gallon for the pH. We have all these tanks here behind us. All different sizes that you need. Got for pressure rigs, big chlorine tanks, or whatever you're using it for. Got these tall ones, short ones, all different sizes. Got flat ones, cylinder ones. Alright, so we ended up going with these 200 gallon tanks. These are 1.5 chemical resistant tanks, and the other ones that showed they were taller. So this is a more short, stubby, probably about 4 feet off the ground or so, and it's gonna be a much better application for what we got set up. But now we're gonna head back to the job site, and then we're gonna start leveling off our and grading our grounds, and we're gonna be putting our 2 3x3 hurricane pads on the ground, and then installing our chemical resistant tanks.